Hey there, so welcome to the video. If you're new to the channel, we're all about video production and editing tips, so make sure you subscribe if that's what you're into. Now, if you recently saw our Feiyutech review of this gimbal, and if you didn't, by the way, you can watch it by clicking up here, you'll know we love this gimbal. But actually setting up the gimbal and balancing it can be quite a challenge. So I've put together a quick tip guide on how you can perfectly balance this gimbal. So let's get into it. First of all, install the batteries and make sure they are fully charged. Next, pop on the tripod. I love this as it helps keep the entire gimbal standing up, and without this, you're left awkwardly balancing the gimbal when you're trying to set it up. Now, unlock the locks and place the gimbal into the correct final setup angle, and then relock each section of the gimbal. Now, attach your camera to the quick release plates and then pop it onto the gimbal. You can also attach a focus ring supporter if you'd like to do that too. Slide the camera onto the gimbal, and now we're ready to balance. So if you unlock this section here, you'll see that the camera will likely wobble about. So what you want to do is put the camera facing upwards and move the camera backwards and forwards until the camera is stable. Next, with the lens forward, unlock the padlock near the base plate and then move the camera again until it's stable at any angle. Next up is the roll access. Again, you'll need to loosen the screws and unlock the switch. Now adjust the camera until it's stable. And then finally, adjust the pan access in exactly the same way. Once complete, the camera should be stable at any angle. And you can see here, when you let go of the camera, it will just stay put. Now each section is done, you can unlock them all and then turn on the gimbal. And there you go, you're ready to start shooting. So there we go, that's my really quick guide on how to perfectly balance this gimbal. If that helped you, please leave a comment below because I promise I do get back to everyone. So thanks for watching. Remember, you can watch the full review on this and we'll have a few more tips, tricks and tutorials on gimbals and film production gear just like this. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.